Question number 1. Which one of the following continents lies on both sides of the equator? Option A, South America. Option B, Australia. Option C, Africa. Option D, Europe. The correct answer is option C, galaxy. Question number 2. Which of the following is not among the major domains of the Earth? Option A, Lithosphere. Option B, Hydrosphere. Option C, Stratosphere. Option D, Atmosphere. The correct answer is option C, Stratosphere. Question number 3. The water mass of the Earth, including oceans, seas, rivers, etc. in the atmosphere. Option A, Hydrosphere. Option B, Lithosphere. Option C, Atmosphere. Option D, Biosphere. The correct answer is option A, Hydrosphere. Question number 4. On which planet is the life found? Option B, Grid. Option D, Mercury. Option C, Mars. Option C, Moon. The correct answer is option C, Moon. Question number 5. Which is the third largest continent of the world? Option A, Europe. Option B, Asia. Option C, South America. Option A, political map. The correct answer is option D, North America. Question number 6. The continent of North America is linked to South America by Option A, West. Option B, mountain. Option C, moon. Option D, isthmus. The correct answer is option D, isthmus. Question number 7. Large part of Africa lies in the Option A, Northern Hemisphere. Option B, Southern Hemisphere. Option C, Western Hemisphere. Option D, Eastern Hemisphere. The correct answer is option A, Northern Hemisphere. Question number 8. The interaction of which one of the following sphere do not make up the biosphere? Option A, Asthenosphere. Option D, Atmosphere. Option C, Hydrosphere. Option D, Lithosphere. The correct answer is option A, Asthenosphere. Question number 9. Which of the following is not the components of the hydrosphere? Option A, rivers. Option B, ice sheet. Option D, isthmus. Option D, rocks. The correct answer is option D, rocks. Question number 1. Dash passes through the Europe. Option A, Antarctic Circle. Option B, Tropic of Capricorn. Option C, Tropic of Cancer. Option D, commercial map. The correct answer is option D, Arctic Circle.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए आपका दिल से धन्यवाद। ऐसे ही ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो देखने के लिए अभी तुरंत हमारे इस चैनल लर्न विद ऐप को सब्सक्राइब करें। हमारा मनोबल बढ़ाए रखने के लिए इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। आपको और कौन कौन से टॉपिक पर ऐसे वीडियो चाहिए हमें कमेंट करके बताएं। इस वीडियो को अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड को शेयर करें और देखें किसको कितना नॉलेज है। मिलते हैं हमारे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।